Generative AI is transforming every business. So join our free 60 minutes online workshop and learn what exactly is generative AI and how you can apply it to your business. Every Wednesday from 3 p.m. CET to 4 p.m. CET. That is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. EST. Hundreds of companies have already joined our online workshop, Generative AI Transforming Business. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Seats are limited, so if you can't attend, make sure to let us know so we can reserve your seat to somebody else. Generative AI can boost productivity and can make your products and services smarter. Join us and discover how hundreds of companies are leveraging on this opportunity to change their business. It's free because we believe companies should really understand the basics of the technology, the possibilities and the limitations, the applications for the business and the impact that it can have on the business. All of this before committing to an investment, so that when you decide to implement something, you will be completely conscious on what you could expect from it